guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm in the middle of Meganenye heading to Shola. I think Shola market or Shona. We are being told that that's where the final celebration of Timket is happening today here in Addis Ababa. As you can see behind me, look at how many people we are and another congregation coming from behind. Yo, guys, I've never experienced something like this ever in my entire life, being that this is the first time here in Addis Ababa celebrating Timket. You know, it's so amazing seeing other people culture, tradition. I mean, I don't even know what to say about it. So we are here in Megananya heading to Shola, and we are being told that we are heading to church, and that will be the final place for celebration. So guys, come with me. I hope you enjoy the day with me. And yeah, because yo, this is what experiencing, you know, a new culture, new tradition in a new country. I mean, I'm so lucky to have been part of this Timket journey here in Ethiopia. So come with me, and as I show you how we do it or how they do it here in Ethiopia. And I understand that Timket is happening in different parts of the world. And me, as Miss Kinga, I want to wish each and every person who is celebrating Timket a happy Timket day all the way from Ethiopia. So I hope you will enjoy this video. So come with me, guys. And I am with a friend here,
Joel Obatan, a YouTuber from Kampala, Uganda. Who last time was here and I was keeping on procrastinating and be like, okay, the next year, this year maybe I'm not ready, but next year coming.
Also, this is not your first time here?
Yeah, this is my second time. The first time I was procrastinating, you know that process where I'd be like, okay, next time. So I'll come here again, but still the same story.
So are you planning to propose to anyone today? Or?
Now, I would say yes, but then the problem is the language barrier, and also you not knowing whether the person is single or not, or engaged. Like you saw, I tried my first shot, but then the person was like, oh, I'm married. And here someone tells you I'm married, it's true. They want to fake it.
Yeah, true. One thing I like about them, they don't hide it.
They are open-minded.
I'm so sorry. And we have so many beautiful girls here. Like, I'm so sorry, but I know if you want, you gotta find someone here. And guys, I was told that as a man, if you like a lady, you just buy a lemon and you throw a lemon to them as a sign of you like them.
But these people are not my good friends. If they're my good friends, they would be carrying lemons in their bags.
In their bags.
Oh.
They themselves are probably single. I don't know about it, but I think as a man you're gonna try your shot. You have to try your shot.
You have to
shoot your shot. You shoot your shot. But if you need help, I can help you with that.
Okay.
Do you need help?
Not now.
Anyway, guys, let's keep going. Look at this congregation here in celebration of Timket. I've never seen people who are so loyal to their celebration as Ethiopian people. They take their celebration so seriously, and I'm so amazed by how good they do it. So yeah, look at this. This is so amazing, guys. Look at this congregation. All of us heading to one place for celebration, and it's been happening for like 3 days. 3 straight days here in Addis Ababa, you know, and look how beautiful they look in their traditional attires. You know, I was supposed to wear one, but I was not able to do it because I left in a rush. But yo, guys, let me show you. I have a scarf, and I was told you can just wrap your head and that's it. So let's go and see what is happening here in Addis. Say hi to my people. Say hello. Thank you. Look at their outfit. They look so beautiful. Beautiful.
Traditional.
Are you going to give her lemon? What?
You're going to give her lemon.
Are you going to propose to her? She's your wife.
Oh, you have two. This and this. Who's your wife?
My sister.
Your sister.
Oh, your sister.
Please, single.
She's single. Finally, he's lucky.
Dollar.
Too much dollar. He's too much dollar. Too much dollar.
Uganda.
Too much dollar. Too much money.
Okay.
Too much. You guys, you're so beautiful, and we love your attires. Look at these.
This is good. Gondor
Yeah. Oh, it's beautiful. Traditional Gondor.
TikTok, no.
Please make us proud. My brother here is trying to shoot his shots. Choose. You choose. Do you want to have two wives?
Yes,
You want to have two wives?
This is how I'm going to. Yes, Uganda.
He came single. He's living as a married man. Ooh.
Smart. You guys are smart.
They don't speak English.
They don't speak English. They look so good. Oh, look at these two ladies here. You looking good. Looking good. So one thing I've realized here is a communication barrier. So many people don't speak in English. So you try to tell someone they look good, but they don't understand what you're talking about. They look like traditional white men. Beautiful. Perfect.
How are you?
I think people are here to take photos. What is happening here? What is happening? Hey,
Right now, this is
So guys, I just got myself in the middle of the dancing, which I did not understand what was happening. But me, I love experiencing new culture, you know. So that was a little bit so intense for me, but I've enjoyed every moment of it. So they were chanting, But if you ask me what they were chanting about, I will not tell you a thing. So if you're from Ethiopia, let me know. What were they talking about? What was the chant all about? Because I had to get myself in the middle of them and start chanting, you know. So yeah, I've enjoyed the moment. Where? The other side? Maybe we can go. So guys, as I said, it's a beautiful day. Maybe we can use the other side. As I said, it's a beautiful day here in Addis, and I'm enjoying myself. Like truly, I'm enjoying myself. I'm a little bit unfit, so I'm panting. Anyway, guys, as I said, let's continue to celebrate Timkat here in Addis Ababa.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you. About Timket.
Yeah, please. Hello, my name is Malaku. I am from Addis Ababa, Ethiopia.
I'm really sorry.
Yeah, don't worry. Hello, my name is Malaku Balai, and I'm right now Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, capital town of our home. And so it's a Timkat, it's a Epiphany. It's a Epiphany.
I'm a Kenyan.
Jesus go to baptism to Jerusalem just to make a new life, to give a new life. Baptism meaning is a new life, and so still Ethiopian way of authentic way of practicing every year. So now all the church, the sacred, come out in the streets 3 days, and outside people come out, celebration and praying, and also dancing, and especially also they throwing lemon and to find your love, and also everybody's has a beautiful new dress.
Wow, yeah.
And a new dress, even not touch water, and it's a new handmade, and you can see the design and cotton crafts, and so design, and her dress very beautiful. The woman is so beautiful, the man is dancing competition because there is a woman choosing him who is the best dancer, you know.
That's what the chanting is all about.
Yeah, dancing, and so it's very important. And the more is healing, also praying for the world, and praying for human being, praying for animal. If you are Muslim or Orthodox or pagan or whatever, or animal or plant, Orthodox praying for that, and saving for the world, and the healthy. So, and everybody, you can see it very friendly. So many people, but very healthy. And yeah, you are here in the home, and I'm happy to meet you and to see you. And watch out the lemon and kicking you, you know? The lemon.
I have a question. What happens when you throw a lemon to a lady and she doesn't like you?
So she don't accept.
Yeah.
And so try your best.
So if you throw a lemon as a lady, I should catch it. If I like
catch
you.
It if you like, and you catch it.
Oh really?
Yeah.
What about you? 5 of you throwing a lemon, and there are 5 lemons, and I like one of them, and I end up catching the other lemon.
So you know, it's
a choice.
Okay. So
these days it's not like that. So sometimes they accepting iPhone.
Oh, iPhone. Oh yeah, that's the best lemon.
The culture has changed.
Really changed.
Lemon to iPhone.
That's so crazy.
Can we take some pictures with you?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Yeah. Theo color, and Saturday, Sunday Azmari night, and visual art, poetry. So in a year we have more than 700 events, and in a year. So you can visit Fandika Cultural Center YouTube. Fandika Cultural Center YouTube, live streaming Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday.
And where is your physical place? Do you have a physical place?
In Fandika Cultural Center at Hyatt.
That's the road.
Yeah, Hyatt Regency
Hyatt,
Hotel.
yeah, that's what I was
inside.
looking for.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hyatt.
For us, we went there.
TikTok,
Okay.
Malaku Balai.
Yeah.
TikTok.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, let's
Yeah. በምሕረቱ እንተ ማርያም ወላዲቱ Amen.